How to play Pokemon Sleep. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Pokemon Sleep. So first of all, just go ahead and download Pokemon Sleep application on your smartphone, and after that just open it. So Pokemon Sleep is a game designed to improve your sleep pattern. So to play it, you have to do just that. Sleep. Although Pokemon Sleep is mostly played at night while you're dozing off, you can also play it during the day to improve your results. So I'm going to tell you how you can play Pokemon Sleep to improve your sleep in the night especially. So majority of your time playing Pokemon Sleep will be while you're sleeping. Most of your sleeping will take place at night, but you can also take one nap per day with Pokemon Sleep. A sleep session has to be at least 90 minutes to count towards professional neurologists research. To play Pokemon Sleep at night or whenever you're ready to take a nap, open the app before you go to bed and select the sleep button at the top right corner of your home screen, and after that just set your bedtime. Apply any incense you would like to use and press sleep. And once you are done with your sleep, just press end sleep session when you wake up and start now. Review your sleep data and see what kind of Pokemon you attracted. Pokemon Sleep has to be open on your mobile all night to accurately measure your sleep. So make sure you don't turn the app off or close your screen. Don't worry about the light of the app keeping you awake. The screen goes back off. The screen goes black after a couple of seconds. It's also a great idea to make sure your phone is plugged in on your charger throughout the night so it doesn't go flat halfway through. This is how you can play Pokemon Sleep. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.